Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is D, and welcome to my YouTube channels. I created this channel so I can talk all about website design and everything website related. So, a little bit about me. I built a web hosting business and an online course to show people how to build the web hosting business with WordPress. But in this video, I want to share with you guys my experience with the web hosting business and the fruit of my labor. All right, you guys. So this is the Honda Accord 2021 LX. So I bought this car about a weeks ago, and I've been in love with this car every day. If you think about it, if you have a seed and you put it in the soil and you water it every day, and you give it some sun and you give it some good nutrition, eventually it'll become a tree. And if it's a good tree, it will give you fruit. The same things go with your idea. If you have an idea and you have the courage to follow it, and you work on it day in, day out, every day, and you work hard at it, you stay at it, eventually that idea will become something. Yeah, it's the same thing for me, man. A few years ago, during my college year, I had this idea of creating a website where people can go in and they can sign up for a website. All they have to do is just pick a template and then sign up with their information. And just like that, they can create easy website. And I've been building this web hosting business a long time, ever since my college year. And I even dropped out of college with only 3 credits left to get my associate degree. And I have my plan of going back to college because now that the business is on autopilot, I will have more time to go back to college and learn some more. So this is my car. I'm so happy because I got it. Man, this is my first brand new car, and yeah, I want to share with you guys. I got this car for about 25,800. This is a nice car. I fell in love with the color because it has glossy. When the sun hit it, it will shines with the glistery. Yeah, it's a nice car. I bought the LX trim because I want to save gas. My plan is to travel a lot on this car to find more clients for my business. And as you can tell, I didn't pay cash for this. I use finance. So every month I pay about $350 on the car note. But because I have a web hosting business, so basically the web hosting business is paying for me, and I'm planning to use this car as a business expense. So that will be very nice when I do the taxes. I want to pay for gas with the business account too, because I have to travel a lot, meet new clients, and also make videos with it. Yeah, basically I'm still new with this business thing, but yeah, I'm finally back in America. No more digital, no more traveling for now because of COVID. I want to get back in America and to get started on this business more seriously. Yeah, so let's get inside the car. I even have the key right here. So all you have to do is just click right here, open. So this car doesn't have all the latest text, but it does have some cool text. So let me show it to you. So this one doesn't have the key. All you have to do is just press on the brake and hit start button right here. There we go. It's a nice car. I like this screen right here. Very nice. It has Apple CarPlay, and it also has Android Auto. And the car has that smell, you know, that brand new smell. Oh man, I love it. Okay, so let's go over here. Right here we have this menu right here. You can change the menu to show different display. As you can see, like in there is the LED screen. You can change this to different display. There you go. But usually I keep it right here so I can keep track on the mile per gallon. This one is a 1.5 turbo. It's not a sport, it's an LX, but it's very nice, you know. It doesn't have the paddle right here, but it's okay. This is my first brand new car, and I'm planning to work in harder to get more clients so I can afford better things in life. My next goal is to buy the house. With the web hosting business is going good. I'm planning to get more clients, so eventually I will save up for it, and hopefully one day I can review with you guys my my house. Let's go for a ride, should we? Yeah, let's go for a ride in this baby. As you can see, it's only have 279 miles. It's fairly new. All right, let's go for a ride, okay guys? Okay, let's connect with my phone so we can use the Apple CarPlay. All right. Apple CarPlay right here, and we can use some apps with it. Right now this is a map, Apple Map. We can use Google Map, or we can use the Waze. Let's try this one. All right, the car is warm up. And if you guys follow my channels way back when I was still in Vietnam, I had a Honda over there too, a 150cc Honda Winner. That bike treat me well. I went everywhere with it. I went to the beach city, and I had so much fun at night riding around. But you know, the downside of riding a motorcycle is that when it's rain or when it's too hot out, but you have to go somewhere, I didn't really enjoy those times too much. And I had this idea of like going back to America and get this car so that I can make more videos, travel videos. Plus America is so big, you know, it has 50 states, and Vietnam is just like one state compared to America. And I feel like there's so much opportunities in America, and I decided to go back here, you know, to settle down for a little bit, to set up all my paperwork, all the tax, and to get more clients. So eventually one day I can, you know, travel again when everything is right. Plus, you know, like now in America, if you want to get the vaccine, you can get it. And I just got back about 3 weeks ago, and I tested negative for COVID. So that's my next step, is to get vaccine for it, you know. And hopefully the whole vaccines and blood clot thing go right. But this is where I'm staying now. The state is North Carolina. I used to live in Boston, but my family moved down here and I visit them down here, and I like it here. So I'm just staying here for now, but maybe one day I'll go back up in Boston to, you know, visit friends and families up there still. But yeah, how do you guys see from my GoPro? Is everything okay? Like I'm just recording this for the first time. Hope everything is well. But if you guys like how the car drive, if this video motivate you guys to work harder and to work on, you know, customer relationship with your client, and to work on your, you know, speech in front of the public, to get more, you know, people to sell more. Basically, if you guys want to make more money, then you guys need to sell. That's what I wanted to learn and develop, is to be able to sell to people anything, not just website, but anything. I've been developing some cool SaaS business. Like right now I have the voice, AI voice. It's a very cool technology. Basically it's connect with Google, it's connect with Microsoft, and it's connect with Amazon, so it can get all the AI voice, and the AI voice sounds just like human, and people can go in and sign up for like an account, and the website will charge them a monthly fee. Yeah, right now all I think about is the SaaS business, you know. When I see the successful web hosting business, I want to build more SaaS business just like that, so that every month I get a stable source of income. Are you guys? I think this video is long enough of me talking about websites. If you guys want to follow my channels, please hit subscribe and hit like this video, so it can help my channels reach more viewer. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning where I live. Down here is easy to breathe, you know. It's not like a big city. It's just like open farms and houses, and the view is very nice. A lot of trees down here. The air is very fresh, and yeah, life is good. I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video. You guys, peace out.